Hello guys, I am Umair Nazim and welcome to the series of C++ in Let's Code. Well, in the previous video, we studied about the conditional statements in C++. But in today's tutorial, we will take a look what are the loops in C++. So before doing a practical example, I want to explain that what is a loop. Well, loop is something that is used to repeat something. So what it means? So for example, you have one statement and you want to write that statement 5 times. So let's take an example here. I have this part of the code, this statement, hello, I am Umair Nazim, and I want to print this statement 5 times. So how can I do it without loop? So simply I can write this thing up to 5 times like this. Now if I execute this one, it will print that part of the code 5 times. So let's see. So here, as you can see, but in loop, how can we do it? So by using the loop, what can I do? By using the loop, I will simply put just one line of this code inside the loop, and it will execute that code until 5 times. So that is the beauty of the loops. So in today's tutorial, we will take a look on the while loop, but there are 4 kind of loops normally. One is while loop, for loop, for each loop, and do while loop. But in this tutorial, I will just take a look on the while loop. In the upcoming videos, we will take a look on the other loops like for loop, do while loop, and for each loop. So let's get started how to write a loop. So to write a loop, the first thing that you have to do is just create one variable. So I will write here integer I is equal to 0, and I will assign the value 0. So now what I am doing here is I have created one variable with the name I, and I have stored the value 0 inside it. After that, to create a while loop, we have to write here while, and then we have to use this parenthesis, and after that you have to use curly braces. So now this thing is called the body of the while loop. Now inside this body, whatever I will print, whatever I will write, it will print that part of the code until the execution, whatever statement we will define. So I want to print something up to 5 times. So what can I do? So here in this parenthesis, I have to write the logic, the condition. So I will write here I is less than 5. And I will explain each and everything to you. Don't worry about it. Then after that, here I will write the part of the code that I want to repeat. So I will write here like this. So hello, I am Umair Nazim. I want to print it up to 5 times. And now here I will do the incrementation. So I will write here I is equal to I plus 1 like this. So now let me explain these things in deeply. So guys, what will happen here? So first of all, when we will do the execution of the program, it will come here on the line number 6, and it will assign the value 0 to the variable I. So let's take a look here. I can do comment, and so initially I is having the value 0. After that, it will come on the line number 7. So on the line number 7, here it will check this condition. So I has the value 0. So it means it will check, is the 0 less than 5? Yes, 0 is less than 5. So it means the condition is true, and it will come inside of this body. So now inside this body, first it will check this line, and it will print this line for 1. After that, it will come here. Now here what we are doing, because I want to print the value up to 5 times, so it means every time we have to increase the value of I variable. So previously it was 0, but when it will come here, so here the I value is 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 means 1. So that 1 will be stored inside the I. So this I is similar with this I. So what will happen for the new value? So I will become here 1. After that, now after that the loop is now in a continuous position. Okay, then again when it will come here, again it will check this part of the code. Then what will happen here, again it will come, it will check I. Now the I value is 1. Is 1 less than 5? Yes, 1 is less than 5. Again it will come inside the body and it will execute this code, it will print it. After that again it will come here and it will again do the incrementation. So previously the I value was 1 and now 1 plus 1 is 2. So it will write here simply, so I is equal to 2. Then again it will come here on the while and it will check, is 2 less than 5? Yes, 2 is less than 5. Again it will come and it will check this, it will print this code, and then again it will do the incrementation. Now when it will do the incrementation, this time it is now I is equal to 3. So again it will check on the I here, and then what will happen? Again on the I it will check, is 3 less than 5? Yes. Again it will print this part of the code and it will do the incrementation here, this incrementation. Now this time I will become I is equal to 4. Sorry, I have to do it comment like this. Now 4, again it will come here, it will check, is 4 less than 5? Yes, it is less than 5. So again it will do the incrementation here, and it will print the line and then it will do the incrementation. Now this time I has become what? This time I has become 5. So I is equal to 5. Now again it will come here, it will check, is the 5 less than 5? No, 5 is not less than 5. 5 is not less than 5. It is equal to 5. So it will terminate the program here. I mean, it will just terminate the body here and then it will go to the next line. Okay, but in the next line, as you can see, we don't have any condition, we don't have any statement. So it will terminate the program here and it will print this part of the code for 5 times. So let's see. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5 times our statement is printed here. But for example, outside this body here, if I have written any other statement, let's say if I have written the statement like this again, so program end, like this time I will write here program end. So what will happen when this statement will finish, then it will come to this part of the code and it will print it. So let's do it again. So as you can see, so first of all it will execute our while loop and then after that it will come here and it will print our next lines. So if I have written another line, so it will then come to the other line like this. So that is the main concept how the while loop works. So but one more thing guys, I want to tell you here. So there is one more shortcut method to do the incrementation. Instead of this line, there is one more shortcut method to do the incrementation. So that is, just remove this line and write here I plus plus. So this I plus plus is similar like this. I am doing here comment. So this I plus plus here is similar like this statement that I did the previously. So just let me execute it again. So as you can see here, it is doing the same job. So guys, I hope that the topic is clear to you and see you in the next video with a new topic.